Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn about Vue Router setup. Okay. So before getting started, I just want to tell you one more thing about the advanced Vue Router setup. Okay. So how do you use or implement your Vue Router in real world projects? Okay. So I have already created a video. Please watch that so you will understand in detail. So now let's get started with Vue Router setup for fresh Vue.js application. So yep, let's go on this ecosystem and click on this Vue Router and we move to the new domain routerviewjs.org and here is a get started. Cool. So once you get started, you have an installation process. So it says how to install the router. It is this command. So right now I don't have any project. So let me just create quickly in a VS Code editor. Let's get back. So before installing this, we got to create the project, right? So let me copy and just open the terminal and paste it. Let's hit enter to install the project. It is asking for the project name. I will keep it as Vue project. Hit enter. Use TypeScript. No. And do you want to select any features including nothing? Just hit enter. None. And again none. And skip all the example code with the Vue blank. Yes, skip everything. And your project is ready here with project. Now let's cd with hyphen project, hit enter, and you're inside that with project. And now let's run this command npm install, hit enter. Your node.js installation will be started. So our npm install is successfully done. As you can see that node module has come. Cool. Now let us run this application and see npm run dev. It is running on this port. So let's copy that and paste here. So this page is running now. Let's get back to this router and you're in this src app.view. This is the first page. Okay, so you are seeing that output. Okay, cool. Now let us copy this command and open new terminal, and you got to change this path, guys. So cd with hyphen project, hit enter, and now you got to copy this again, paste, and hit enter. Your installation has been done. Now go to main.js file, src main.js, and you have to set up it. So let me minimize this and go inside this, and here you have a get started. Let's click on this get started. Here is a app.view code, a simple example they have given. Let's copy this, control C, get back, and your app.view, control A, paste. That's it and done. Now get to main.js file. So first let us create one variable const app equal to this format, and let me control X and app dot paste. Okay, and let's refresh. It's still blank. Let's inspect and go to this console, and here you see that full path is not available, it says. So you can just get back, and for right now we will comment this code. Later we will see why it was giving error. So before that, let's see the output now. Here you see go home, go to about. So you have two buttons here, right? So here also you find this router link issue. It's because you have not integrated that part. So now what we are going to do, inside this src, we will create a new folder called router. Hit enter. So instead of teaching this way, I'll just show you with the documentation. And yep, let's copy and move index.js, paste it, and the routes you can also do it in this way. So it works the same, nothing affects. Now you got to include this index.js file in your main.js. So import router from, which is dot router forward slash index.js file. This router is specifically from here. This router, export router you're copying, right? So you got to copy that and paste here and use this as app.use function and paste that router part. Now I will show you this in the document. So here you see as an example what they have used. Okay, so now let us see the output, what it does. Let us refresh. Here it says import home view, and here it says home view and about view. You got to create this. Go inside the views. You don't have a views folder, so you got to create views and create the page home view template div. This is home page and CV about view. Let's hit enter, and this is about page. Let's close this both files, and you got to import that. So how to import at forward slash views forward slash home view, and then same thing with the about view. Done. Okay, and now let's see the output. Get back, refresh, and there is a error about src router index.js does not support the export default. Okay, so let us default that. Let's get back, and where is this export? Let us use this default. I mean, just export default the router space, hit enter, save it, get back, refresh, and here we go. So no more error about router or router view links, anything. So this is home page. If you click on this, and this is about page. Perfect. So both changes, guys. Here you see home page, about page. Cool. So in this video, that's it. So guys, I have taught you about how to set up a Vue router in fresh Vue.js project. So guys, let's see in the next video with the new topic. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share.